Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is January 24, 2024, Wednesday. Firstly levels, then even though today there was no option expiry closure, we will tell about the power of technical analysis. Fin Nifty closed 2206.40, 0.34% up. Bank Nifty 45082.40, 0.15% up. Nifty 1% up, 21453.95. You can see that Nifty has significantly outperformed Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, 1% up. So what happened? Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Nifty, everything opened a gap down. In fact, significantly gap down. And then it went below the Bollinger Lower Band, opened below the Bollinger Lower Band. At one stage, if you recollect yesterday, what did I say? 200-day exponential moving average and simple moving average is something that will act as a support. That's why I'm saying power of technical analysis. Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty went there. In fact, it briefly broke that. But then from there it bounced nicely, and then it came off and it formed a beautiful reversal candle. It's a perfect reversal candle. Of course, is it out of completely danger? I wouldn't say so, because many times I have told that the first reversal as we ignored, which it formed a few days back, today is the second powerful reversal. So normally bears will make, in this case, bears will make one more attempt. It might be a feeble attempt to break below the Bollinger Lower Band. That is when there will be a significant up move that will be coming in. That is normally the third reversal. That is how it operates on technical analysis, and that is how the Bollinger Band operates. Anyway, that is later. For now, what happened? It opened a 200-day exponential moving average and simple moving average held beautifully, and in the end it formed a piercing pattern type of a candle. Normally, I have told, I would request people to go into my company Fibocan's YouTube channel, where we have put free educational videos, module 1 to 16, English to Tamil, English and Tamil. In that we have explained beautifully about the candles, candlesticks patterns with beautiful live examples. So it is either it can be seen as a piercing pattern. Today's candle is a piercing pattern, yesterday and today comparison. But if you come with tomorrow's candle, it has enabled in such a way to form a morning star candle, which means there will be an attempt now to go near the exponential moving average shortly. From there, probably bears will make one more attempt, which will not be a powerful attempt. Bears will try all their best to now push it down, but bulls will hold it. Nifty on the other hand, the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average, it went all the way down there, slightly below that. I mean, in fact, it didn't go below that actually. From there, it bounced beautifully and came up. So then you can see how beautifully these reversals and candlesticks and technical analysis work in the market, because they work in all time frames. Higher the time frame, better is the accuracy. That's the power of technical analysis. So today's reversal, mainly I would say, was led by HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank formed identical candle as that of Bank Nifty. So, or you can look at this way, because HDFC formed that candle, Bank Nifty formed the same candle, whereas Nifty formed a relatively better candle. In fact, it is more of a piercing pattern, powerful candle I would say, and it's a clear reversal. That is what it is, because Nifty, there were other components that supported beautifully, like IT, automobiles, metals, they all supported tremendously, and in fact consumer goods also supported, which is why Nifty had a better performance today than Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's all the overall structure and texture of the market. Let's go into the individual component analysis. On the banks, IDFC fell 1%, Axis and ICICI fell 3%. So Axis and ICICI, because of their fall, Bank Nifty had fell severely, and we had a Federal Bank moving up by 1%, SBI and HDFC Bank 2%, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank and AU moved up by 3%. On the financials, everything went up. L&T Finance, M&M Finance, Shriram 2% up. Bajaj Finserv and Chola, L&T, M&M Finance and Shriram 1% up. Bajaj Finserv and Chola 2% up. LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram and Muthoot 3% up. In the insurance and cards, HDFC Life fell 1%. ICICI, HDFC Life moved up by 1%. ICICI General, Pru, SBI Life, SBI Cards 2% up, LIC moved up by 3%. Everything moved up in insurance and cards. Oil and telecom, Reliance 1% up, Bharti 2% up. Bharti is continuing its significant up move. It is powerfully going up. So the headroom available for it to further go up is very limited. Hence, probably we might see some slight pullback that can come probably in the month of February. So just be cautious. On the IT, Emphasis moved up by 1%, Infi, Intellect, LTTS, Wipro 2%, Apple, Birlasoft, Coforge, SCL, Techem 3% up. Consumer goods, PVR 1% down, Asian Paints 2% down, then Titan, DMart and ITC 1% up, Britannia, Nestle, Trent 2% up, Berger, Coalpal, HUL and Pidilite 3% up, ABFRL moved up by 5%. On the automobiles, TVS Motor, everything moved up. TVS Motors, Tata Motors, Maruti, S-Cards 1% up. Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, M&M 2% up. Motherson 3% up. Metals, Coal and Jindal 2% up. JSW 3% up. Hindalco, NMDC, Tata Steel, Vedanta 4% up. SAIL 5% up. National Aluminium 7% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo and Divi's 1% up. Lalpath, Metropolis 3% up. Dr. Reddy 4% up. In the others category, Adani Ports and Nykaa down 1%, Delta Corp down 2%, DLF, L&T, Jubilant Food 1% up, Eris, Ultratech, UPL 2% up, MCX, IRCTC, Polycab, Zomato 4% up. Z was up by some 4 or 5 percentage, but it is more of short covering. Hence, one has to slightly stay away from Z at this point in time. Probably at a later time, one can think of. However, the up move in Z is very limited in this year, because last year's low has been taken out. So with all these things, what is the option expiry that we can expect for tomorrow for both Bank Nifty and Nifty? It's the same level that we are going to say. For Bank Nifty, on the upward side, it is the 50-day exponential moving average, which is at 46,482. That's going to act as a very good resistance, because it will continue its up move, but still, I feel that the 50-day exponential moving average cannot be broken down, taken out that easily. On the lower side, today's low, which is 44,489, this is the low of 2023. That will hold. That will hold, because it is not so easy to break that level and close below that level. Even if it goes down, bulls will come there to hold it, because that is how technical levels operate, right? Today's low, people will protect it. So Nifty, on the other hand, it is again the 2023 close, which is at 21,731.40. That will hold. If that does not hold, then to 2801 is one level. That is something which one can think of. On the other hand, the downward side is the 50-day simple moving average, which it protected today also, which is at 21,008. So I am sure that you will appreciate the power of technical analysis. Tomorrow we will see. We are confident that it will close within this level. Thank you very much.